How to private your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can private your Facebook account. So to do that, first of all, open your Facebook app and then make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to simply tap on this menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. After that, simply tap on your name right over here. Now once you've done that, in order to make your account private, you'll have to basically change various settings. So first of all, go to profile and tagging, and then you'll have to change what you want to be your privacy settings. So you can change who can post on your profile, you can change who can see what other post on your profile, you can also change who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile, etc, etc. You can change all of these over here. Now once you've changed them, simply go to the privacy option, and then here you will be able to change who can see your future posts. So if you want, you can set this to no one, so that whenever you post, no one except you will be able to see your post. And similarly, you can do this for other options as well. So that is basically how you private your Facebook account. All you have to do is simply play around with the settings over here. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.